In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add an event calendar to your Wix website. Although it is possible to create an event calendar through Wix itself, it can be very time consuming and also quite confusing for beginners. So I'm going to show you a free, quick and easy way to do that. For the job, we're going to use a third-party platform known as Elfsight. So the first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to this page right here. From this page, head over to the top of the page, and then there you will find the widgets button right here. Simply hover over it and then go to the right-hand side of the screen where you'll find the tools section. From here, go down until you find the event calendar, which is near the top right here. Click on that, and then this will take you to the event calendar widgets page. From here, click create widget for free. And then that's going to take you to the template section of the page. Here, you can choose from a number of different event calendar templates. Don't worry about the actual look of the template that you choose. These are things that we can change, and I'm going to show you how in just a second. In my case, I'm going to go for the team game schedule because I like the look of it. So once you're happy with the template, go ahead and click with this template right here. And then this is where you can customize the template and the actual event calendar. So you have two different options to choose from here. You can either manually change every single event, which means you have to keep coming back to add new events and remove old ones. Alternatively, you can connect your Google Calendar to this widget, which is automatically going to pull information from the Google Calendar and then update the widget in real life. So choose which one you want to go for and then set it up. On the left-hand side here, you also have layout, appearance and settings. So these are all things that you can change here. So if you don't like the look of the list layout, you can go for a grid one. You can also go for a slide if you want to, whatever you like. In my case, I'm going to stick to list. The appearance here, change the background, the heading, event, pop-up, and then add custom CSS. I'm not going to get into too much detail about these because I don't want to make the video super long, but yeah, just know that these are all there for you to use. And once you're happy with everything to do with your event calendar, simply go ahead and add to website for free right here at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then that's going to create your event calendar widget. From here, all we need to do is simply click on the publish button in the top right corner of the screen. But before you can do that, it will ask you to log in into the Elfsight platform. You can either create an account through the platform itself, or you can log in using Google, which is what I've done because it's much quicker and easier. Then once you're here on this page, click on publish, and then here we need to select the plan. Since this is the first and only widget we're going to be using from Elfsight, we can go for the free plan right here. However, in the future, if you do decide to use any other of their widgets, you will have to opt for one of the premium plans right here. So for now, go to free and then select. And then just a couple of seconds, our event calendar widget code will be given to us. So go ahead and copy it and then head over to your Wix website. From here, go to the Wix editor and go to the page where you want to add the events calendar. In my case, I want it on the home page, and as you can see, I've already created plenty of space for it right here. So now what you want to do is go to the search button right here in the top right corner of the screen and search for HTML. And then once the results show up, you will see add to site and then embeds. Click on embeds, and then on the left hand side, you will see a new menu open up. Underneath popular embeds, I want you to click embed HTML, which is going to add an HTML box right on your Wix website. From here, simply paste the code that we just copied and then click on update. And in just a couple of seconds, your event calendar will be added to your Wix website. It will look just like this. Then simply resize it. And now let's go ahead and preview the website and see what the events calendar looks like. As you can see, you have all the information here. You have December 1st, get the tickets button, December 2nd, get the tickets, and so forth. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add an events calendar to your Wix website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.